it's Angel. If you guys seen my lychee martini video and you like lychee drinks, this is a non-alcoholic version. I'm gonna be making a lychee mocktail today, and it's just a few simple ingredients and it's gonna be super delicious. So let's get started. All right, the first thing we'll need is a can of lychees. And I kept the syrup and I just put that in a mason jar. So the first thing we're going to do is take one of the lychees and put it directly into our cup. So I have a muddler here, and we're not only going to muddle the lychee, but we're also going to put some lychee bits in it. So we're going to cut up some lychee bits so we can drink it like we're having bubble tea, but lychee bits. So we're going to start by muddling this lychee here. I'm just going to muddle that there, and that's going to give it some nice lychee juice flavor. Next, we're going to cut up a couple lychees so we can get some nice texture with this drink. So I'm going to take out 2 lychees. And we're just going to cut them into small bits. Just make sure that you cut them small enough so that when you drink it with a bubble tea straw, they will fit through the straw. Okay, great. Now we will add that to the cup here. Next, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of the syrup. And I like to do about 3 tablespoons, but you can always start with 3 and then taste test to see if you like the drink. If you like it sweeter, you can feel free to add more later. 2, 3. Next, we will need the juice from half a lime. Now, I recommend squeezing the lime juice into a larger bowl like this. So lime juice goes into the drink, and that'll give it a nice tart flavor. Next, we'll need some simple syrup. Now, I'm just going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup here. Feel free to add more if you'd like. And before we add our sparkling water, we'll want to add some ice to our drink. So I have some ice from my ice bucket here. And finally, I have some sparkling mineral water here, some Pellegrino. And I put this in the refrigerator so it's super chill. And to open it, I've got our tip of the day here. I'm using a rubber band because these things are so hard to open. The rubber band just twice around the cap will give it some good grip. All right, now we'll just pour all the way to the top. And of course, no drink would be complete without the famous bubble tea straw. And give that a good stir. That's how you make my lychee lime mocktail. So let's give it a shot. Cheers. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so delicious. The lychees and that burst of lime, it's got some tang and some sweetness. And it's just a really refreshing, almost summery drink. Super delicious. It's non-alcoholic for those of you who aren't into alcohol, and definitely a nice alternative to a lychee martini. I'm Angel, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And post in the comments and let me know if you like these type of drink videos. And as my grandpa would say, sharing a meal with a fascinating stranger is one of life's true delights. So until we can share a drink together, take care, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.